Alright, so we're looking at the first question, which says a function f of x is defined on 3x plus 1 all on x minus 1. X should not be equal to 1. Now, the reason why they say x should not be equal to 1 is that when x is equal to 1, you get your denominator to be 0. And then anytime you have a fraction and then your denominator is 0, it means that the fraction does not exist or it is undefined. When you punch any number over 0 on the calculator, you get mass error. You cannot divide something into 0 equal parts. It doesn't really make sense. But you can divide 0 into any amount that you want, but you cannot divide something into 0 parts. So here should not be equal to 1. If not, here will be 0. Alright. We're asked to find the image of negative 1 and 3. Image of negative 1 simply means in place of x, we put negative 1, which is f of negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1, negative 3 plus 1 all over negative 2. Negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 on negative 2, which is equal to 2 on 2, 1. And so the image of negative 3 and negative 1 is positive 1. And then image of 3, in place of x, I put 3. 3, 3, 9 plus 1, all on 2. 10 on 2, which is equal to 5. And so the first part is almost done. We're asked to find the value of x for which f of x is equal to 7. Simply put, equate f of x to 7. When we equate this to 7, we cross multiply, and then this becomes 3x plus 1 is equal to 7 into bracket x minus 1. From here, 3x plus 1 is equal to 7x minus 7. Now we group line terms. 7x minus 3x is equal to, this is going to cross, so 1 plus 7. 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now I look at the B part of this question on the other board. So we quickly move to this side. So we have this. Yeah. Well, you can still enjoy a bit of this whilst I try to clean the other part. So you can still enjoy. Okay, I think you can enjoy both when you have it like this. Okay. Now we're asked to find the value of cos theta plus 60 is equal to 0.0872, where theta is greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. We've been asked to find the value of theta. And so find the value of theta, we just divide through by cos. In dividing through by cos, it makes this one become, cos is taken away from here. And so we have theta plus 60 is equal to 0.0872 all over cos. Let me go by the layman's method. Now from indices, we're told that when you have 1 over x is the same as x exponent negative 1. And so cos 1 over cos is the same as, it's just like cos inverse, cos raised to the power negative 1. So that is what we are going to apply over here. And so in application, we get cos inverse of 0.0872. Please, when you get to this level, and you feel like guys say we have mass to use calculator. No, just take your calculator, open your go to the calculator, and then because I have the calculator on my phone, I want to do it for you to see. So you punch shift before you punch your cos, which gives you the cos inverse. What is the figure? 0.0872. That is giving you 84.99. Okay, so theta plus 60 degrees is equal to 84.997. Theta is equal to 84.997 minus 60 degrees. And so we just do the minus 60 degrees. and then theta is equal to 24.997 degrees, which is approximately 25 degrees. And so therefore we say that theta is equal to 25 degrees. And so I end over here that I'll bring in the second session soon.